Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max from year 2012 to year 2019. If you guys need to remove and replace the reverse light bulb, guys, for reverse gear, when you place the shifter in reverse and the light bulbs illuminate behind you, you have two of them. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Left, right side will be identical. The tail light is and the bulb is located on the lift gate on the trunk. On the inner tail lights, we'll explain. You will need to actually remove the whole tail light assembly. If you don't, you will not be able to replace that bulb. Another thing, if you don't know how to do those things right, there is 3 hidden clips. You will actually break your tail light and you will need to replace it with a new one. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how to do that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a ton of money. So let's go ahead, start on it. First we'll remove the tail light assembly, then we'll continue with the bulb. So now for the lift gate tail light assembly, we need to remove that cover. You need to get kind of like underneath, pry it out. Pry that cap out right here, guys. Okay, you have one thing that you need to turn. That's kind of like the screw holding it there, so you can use a screwdriver or you can turn it by hand as well. It works either way. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, almost getting there. Perfect, came out. Now right here, guys, if you pay attention, okay, right there, there shouldn't be anything else holding, but there will be a couple clips holding that tail light assembly. So we're going to close the lift gate a little bit by hand. Okay, like that, because we will need to be, okay, prying that thing, guys. It has a couple clips, so let me pass now the camera so I can go ahead and grab that thing with 2 hands. Okay, let's see if we can shake it. You have a couple guides. Okay, it needs to come straight out, guys. Okay, okay, straight out. Now here we can get a plastic prying tool and get between the two of those. Okay, okay, perfect. You can see, but never pry right here, because no, that's not good. You need to get it with your fingers underneath, because that glass is super gentle, guys. You pry it a little bit sideways, it touches here, you break your tail light. It's done. Those are the plastic guides that we have right here. 1, 2, 3 over there, and the wiring harness is right here. You just press down in the middle, disconnect it, and that the lift gate tail light assembly came out just like that. So once we remove it, you can see the bottom bulb right here, guys. This is for the reverse light. So right here you have 2 plastic clips. Press down, pull the clip to the side, pull at the same time, one here, they come out. Now the bulb itself is right here, so practically you grab that bulb, okay, and you pull it out. This is, guys, your bulb. If you need to buy one, it's a specific bulb. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Putting it together, practically it's in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.